Hello, today we're going to review cleaning Starkey's Genesis AI hearing aids, which are their newest line of receiver in the canal hearing aids. So there's two kinds of cleanings that you want to do on your hearing aids. One of them is daily, the other one we recommend at least once a month. So for the daily cleaning, at the end of the day, if you ever take your hearing aids out of your ear and notice a buildup of earwax on the tip of the hearing aid here where the dome is, we recommend using any dry cloths. Here I just have a little microfiber cloth that comes in the cleaning kit with the hearing aids. And we're just gonna wipe the earwax off the tip of the hearing aid before putting it into the charger at night. The second cleaning we want to do, that's approximately once a month, involves replacing the domes and the wax guard. The dome is the gray tip at the end of the hearing aid, and to remove it, it's just a pinch and pull action. Once you remove the dome, underneath you should see a white tip on your hearing aid. This is the wax guard that we're changing out. To change out the wax guard, you want to grab your Hear Clear sticks that were included in your package when you got your hearing aids. When you open the package up, you'll see 8 yellow sticks that are one-time use only. So when you pull the wax guard out of the package here, you'll see that one side already has a white tip on it. That's the new wax guard. And the other side doesn't have anything on it. We're gonna start with this side because this is what takes the old wax guard out. So to do this, line up the yellow stick with the white tip of the hearing aid and push down. You shouldn't have to twist or anything at this stage. And then when you pull straight up, you'll see that the old wax guard is now on the stick. So now you want to flip over the stick to reveal the new wax guard and do the same action. Line it up and push straight down. And like I said, these sticks are one-time use only, so this can be disposed of. So with the new wax guard in the hearing aid now, you want to put a new dome back on the end there, and that's just done by sliding the rubber tip onto the end of the hearing aid, like so. Once you have the dome on, if you want, you can give it a slight tug to make sure that it's on properly and will stay on when you put your hearing aid in your ear. The last step to the monthly cleaning is brushing out your microphones. The microphone inlets on the hearing aids are these two little slits, probably around where my fingernail is on either side here. So this is on the standard size of their new hearing aid. And on the mini version, the slots are in the same location. So one at that side and one on the other side. To brush these out, in your kit, you have a little brush that looks like a toothbrush. And just brushing these microphones out at a 45-degree angle will prevent any debris from building up in the microphones. Depending on your model of charger, there may also be a brush included at the top of your charger as well. And that's it. That's how you clean the new Starkey Genesis AI hearing aids.